What's going on, everybody? So I was making a video for you guys on some door overlay covers that I paint matched white to match the truck, and I got paint that was Oxford white to match. Turned out good, except I ordered the wrong ones. So this here was for like the keyless entry. My truck does not have that. It turned out good. I got to the last one and I ran into some issues and it actually cracked when I pulled it off. So what I'm going to do is just take the handles completely out and do it that way. And actually this will be a little tutorial in case any of you guys want to do that. So it's very simple. With the door handle, all you got to do, pull the handle out. There's nothing to do here. This just slides right out. You'll have a 5mm nut in here. You just back it off while you're holding your door handle out, and then once that gets loose enough, the door will just slide out, and then this piece here, you'll just pull it out, and it's just a plastic piece, in which I've already started painting this one here. As you can see, I had to put more grease on that end, but like I said, I wasn't going to do it this way because, you know, I was like, well, if I ever trade the truck in, I just pop these off and it'll go back to factory. But I messed up and one of them cracked when I put it on there. I had to take it back off because the paint, I didn't let it dry long enough and I touched it and it had like the grooves from my handprint on it. So I was like, yeah, let's fix that. Tried to and ended up messing it up even more. So I pulled it off, was going to leave it off. I actually ordered more overlays for the door handles, but I was like, let's see if it's hard to take the handle off. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to have to go buy some more Oxford white spray paint. I should have enough clear still. And then we'll get these other ones off because ain't no need of having overlays on the doors if they're all not going to have the overlay. So I'll have to pop those off and more than likely they're going to break. But yeah, very easy to do. Man, I can clean that up. It's got some gunk on there. But yeah, once I get everything put back together, I'll show you guys how it looks. Just got me a coat of white on this one here. And this is, you know, the Oxford white. So yeah, once I get everything put back together, I'll show you guys how it turned out. And I'm actually waiting on another package to arrive now, but I don't know what's going on with shipping and stuff because the stuff I ordered for the Ford from the, was it Ford Accessories? I ordered the illuminated front badge or Ford symbol, whatever you want to call it. And it was supposed to be here last week sometime, never showed up. Don't have any information on when it's going to show up. They said once it shows up, I'll get an email, but nobody knows where it's at. So still waiting to hear back on that. It's already paid for. It's just got to come in. And the other part that I'm waiting on, it's supposed to be here today, but who knows if it's going to come in. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video and get all the other door handles prepped and ready. And then once I get them painted and put back on, I will show you guys the finished product. So stay tuned. All right, fellas, we got them all done. And it did take a little bit longer than I expected it to. We're actually at the Ford dealership right now. Well, let me show you guys what we got. So the handles are done. Everything's back together and working as it should. I think they look so much better. So let me just tell you. Oh, that's just dirt. I thought that was the Oxford white definitely looks like the truck. I didn't paint them with as much clear coat as I would want it to, but it kind of looks like the black. You know, it had that matte black look to it. It's still shiny and smooth and all that good stuff, but it's not glossy like the doors, which I feel like this is better, a better texture to grab onto than the slippery stuff. So I did it that way. Let me just tell you, I messed with these door handles. Which handle? So it would have been the passenger rear and then the passenger front. Oh my God, let me tell you, I fought with these things for 3 hours. I said, you know what? My nephew wanted to go fishing. We went fishing. I come back and I just now finished up messing with these things, and it's about 10:30 at night. Let me tell you, this is the worst design when they don't work as you can possibly come up with. Now, when they work, it's perfect. Like the front driver door and the passenger rear, On the passenger side, it was like butter. Put it in there and it went straight in. It latched right on. These here, I had to pull the door panels off and fight with these things to get them to go on. But they're back together. Everything's working like it should. Like the back one here, I had to take the door panel off, but you know, everything's back together like it's supposed to be. Super easy to take the door panel off as well. If any of you guys want to know, just drop a comment and I'll make a video on that as well. But taking the door handles off, it's very, very simple. You got this little rubber grommet, it comes out, then you have a 5mm nut. And essentially what you'll do is you'll pull the door handle to about here and hold it, and you just back that nut out slowly. It's not gonna fall off or come out. So just back it off, and eventually, once it gets loose enough, this door handle will come right out, and then it just slides right out. And then when you put them back, you're supposed to back the nut all the way out before you put the handle in, slide the handle in the front, and then set it in there, and then go slowly, and it's supposed to catch and pull it in. Front door did perfect, and the passenger rear did perfect, but these two here, this one and then the other one on the other side, I fought and fought with those things for, I want to say at least 4 hours, longer than what I was expecting to. But yeah, man, that definitely looks way better with the white door handles than, you know, the old black, flat black looking color. Because if any of you guys know, or if any of you guys had the plastic, like this here is that black plastic, that stuff fades over time. So I kind of figured with the door handles, they'd probably fade a little bit quicker, being that, you know, you're grabbing on them, squeezing them, moving them, rubbing them, things like that. And they are still dirty. I gotta clean them up, man. Like I said, this one went on good too. I mean, this one, I didn't have to fight with this one either. Truck definitely needs a bath now, but I just wanted to make the video to show you guys that it is possible. It's not hard to do if everything works like it's supposed to, but if you get a couple of handles that don't want to go on and you got to take the panel off, let me tell you, if you don't have patience, you will break something. Being a new truck, I got lucky, because if this would have been an older truck, I probably would have broke the whole door latch assembly, because I was prying on these things hard to try to figure out how it goes in and what I need to do to make it go in. But yeah, everything's back together. My other piece that I ordered is supposed to come in tomorrow. Something happened at the Amazon facility and they said it didn't get delivered today, which it didn't show up at the house, so I kind of assumed. So that should be here tomorrow. So there will be another video coming out tomorrow. We still got to do the other 4 rock lights underneath. We only got the ones in the wheel well right now. But yeah, man, the truck's coming together good. I feel like once we get that illuminated front forward badge, this thing is going to look pretty sick. And they actually have a Ranger down here. It's at the very end. I looked at it. It was a silver metallic color. It was a Lariat. Only one on the lot though. But if you look at F-150s, dude, they are lined up. And then if you're looking for an F-250, way on that far side over there, there's a whole freaking stash of F-250s. Like, them trucks are not moving. And then they just got more in right here. Like, they are not moving this stuff at all. Like, I usually come out here like once every 2 weeks just to look. See, they got 4 of them right here. Let me walk up here and see if I can show you guys real quick. Like, these F-250s are not moving at all. And I know they're pretty expensive, but like, I think they probably still have them all. Yeah, so there they go. There's a line there that goes all the way down. Then there's a front line here, and then there's another line behind these vehicles that go that way as well. There's probably like 40 of them things. But the Mavericks and the Rangers, like every time they get one, like this one wasn't here last week, which this isn't brand new, I don't think. This is probably a pre-owned. But like these don't sit here long either. These little Mavericks. But yeah, the Rangers, like as soon as they come in, somebody usually scoops them things up. Which, you know, looking at it, like, why not? But yeah, I'm going to quit rambling. Like I said, if any of you guys have any comments or any, I wouldn't say comments, I would say tips and tricks on how to do this, don't ask me. No, I'm just playing. If you have any like issues or anything like that, just drop a comment, let me know. And if I have a solution, I'll definitely hit you back. Or if I, you know, don't, I'll still tell you. But yeah, like I said, if everything goes smooth, it's not bad at all. But if the handle doesn't want to go back in like it's supposed to, it is going to be a nightmare. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this one. If you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe. And like I said, I picked up the paint and all the stuff that I use from AutoZone. You just got to get the Oxford White. I'll leave a link in the description if I can find one for it, because sometimes that Dupli-Color paint is hard to pinpoint on their website, but I'll try to find it, leave a link in the description. And then I just used, you know, the basic clear coat for the stuff as well. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy. But yeah, we'll go ahead and end this video off and get home and get cleaned up, because like I said, I've been fighting with this thing all day. But if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.